Okay, today is Thursday, December the 10th, and I want to talk about the fact and opinion assignment today. And you're going to be writing facts and opinions. You're going to be writing 2 facts and 2 opinions about pumpkins. You're going to be writing 2 facts and 2 opinions about apple pie, and 2 facts and 2 opinions about scarecrows. All right, so remember, facts are something that you can prove. An opinion is what you think. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll you over here so that you can see the whiteboard. All right, and remember, your opinions must have clue words in them. Those are words that it's how you feel. You can't prove it. So we're going to practice writing some facts and opinions. So you need to get a piece of notebook paper. Write down at the top that this is Thursday, December the 10th, facts and opinions. All right, and we're going to do a practice with whales. All right, since Boris is a whale. So if I was going to write a fact, it would be something that I could prove about a whale. So I could say whales are mammals. I can prove that. All right, everybody write this down in your notebook. All right, make sure you start with a capital letter. End it with a punctuation mark. All right, another fact that I could prove about whales. Whales live in the ocean. All right, put a capital letter and a period. Remember, you can pause the video to help you get caught up. All right, so now we're going to write an opinion. It's what I think about whales. All right, so we have to put one of these clue words in. So I'm going to say, I think whales are the most interesting sea creatures. Put a period. I also want you to get a red, and I want you to circle your clue word. Think, because I think that. You may not think that. It's my opinion. All right, let's write one more opinion about whales using one of the clue words. And I'm going to say all whales should be protected. All right, make sure you have a capital letter. All right, punctuation mark at the end. And then go back with your red and make sure you circle your opinion clue word. Now you may want to pause that. You need to take a picture and send that paper to your teacher. All right, let me roll you back over in front of the smart board. All right, so one more time. You're going to be writing 2 facts and 2 opinions on pumpkins, apple pie, and scarecrows. And I want you to use red on your opinions, and I want you to circle the clue words in red. All right, and then you will take a picture, send that to your teacher. If you can print that off, go ahead and print it off. If you cannot, then simply write it on paper exactly the way we did the whale assignment over there. All right, so let me put you back up on here. All right, I have one more thing I need to talk about, and that is our Amos and Boris book. All right, so with our Amos and Boris, we have 4 questions today. How did Boris first meet Amos? What did Boris first think about Amos when he saw him? Where did Boris first want to take Amos? How did Amos feel about this? All right, let's get our book pulled up so we can find those. All right, there's the book. All right, we are going to be looking at page 13, so I'm going to quickly scroll over to page 13. 13. All right, full page. All right, so our first question is going to be, how did Boris first meet Amos? All right. All right, page 4. No, I'm supposed to be on 13. Gotta go back one. All right. Now, we left off the other day. He was in the ocean because he rolled off the side of his boat when he was looking at the stars in the sky. All right. As he was asking himself these dreadful questions, a huge head burst through the surface of the water and loomed over him. So it means it kind of was up like this and looking down over. It was a whale. "What sort of fish are you?" the whale asked. "You must be one of a kind." "I'm not a fish," said Amos. "I'm a mouse, which is a mammal, the highest form of life, and I live on land." "Holy clam and cuttlefish," said the whale. "I'm a mammal myself, though I live in the sea. Call me Boris," he added. All right, so our first question wants to know, how did Boris first meet Amos? All right, that's where that huge head burst through the surface of the water and loomed up over him. So his huge head burst through the surface of the water and loomed over him. All right. Our next question. What did Boris first think about Amos when he saw him? All right. Amos asked him something when he saw him. He asked him, "What sort of fish are you?" the whale asked. So Boris thought Amos was a fish because he was within the ocean. All right. Remember, pause the video to help copy this down. All right, page 14. All right. Where did Boris first want to take Amos? Amos introduced himself and told Boris how he came to be there in the middle of the ocean. The whale said he would be happy to take Amos to the Ivory Coast of Africa, where he happened to be headed anyway, to attend a meeting of whales from all the 7 seas. But Amos said he'd had enough adventure to last him a while. He wanted only to get back home and hoped the whale wouldn't mind going out of his way to take him there. All right, so where did Boris first want to take Amos? All right, the whale said he would be Happy to take Amos to the Ivory Coast of Africa. Put a period. He said, I'll be glad to take you there. I'm going that way anyway. All right, and our last question. How did Amos feel about this? Did he want to go to the Ivory Coast of Africa? No, he didn't. He didn't want to go there. Where did he want to go? He wanted to go home. All right, so he said, Amos said he'd had enough adventure to last him a while. He only wanted to get back home. All right. Now, today's reading, you have 3 papers to take pictures of and send to your teacher. The first one is the whales that we did over on the whiteboard. The second one is this paper about Amos and Boris. And the third page is the facts and opinions you are to write. All right, so 3 pages. Make sure you take nice and clear pictures, not upside down, not backwards. All right, and send them to your teacher. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.